Here I have HTC Desire 816, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first you'll have to select preferred language, so let's speak English, then tap OK, tap Start. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have to set up date and time. Okay, cancel. Then you select remind me later. Tap next. Then you can use computer to set up email, personalized wallpaper and ringtones. Okay, so if you have computer on you, you can start setting up your device with the computer, but let's imagine that we have no computer, so we just tap skip, next. Then you can import files from your old phone. If you want to do it, import all your data, photos and stuff, you can select get connected from old phone. If you want to set up this HTC as new, just tap skip. Then you can select phone name. You can set up screen lock method too here. Tap next. Also, if you don't want to set any screen lock right now, you can just do it later in settings. Then I suggest you to disable all these switchers. Tap finish. Yes. And device is ready to be used. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.